Welcome to Car Keys Solutions. With the Car Keys Solutions Courier repair service, you can have any damaged or faulty car key or fob repaired without leaving your home or visiting a mechanic or a dealership. Simply select the model and year of your vehicle and purchase the service for your key. Included in the price is the collection, repair and return of your key or fob in just a few days. The service is quick and totally secure. We use a tracked and insured courier service, so the process is fully guaranteed, and we never ask for any vehicle registration details. At Car Key Solutions, we've been providing car key repair and replacement services since 2012, and we're proud to be an RAC approved garage and one of the UK's most trusted and reviewed car locksmiths. All keys are repaired by qualified technicians at our London workshop, and our friendly team is always on hand to walk you through the process. If you need help or have questions at any time, you can talk to us via our website's live chat, send an email, call or reach out via our Facebook page.